How much money would the government get if income tax rates were 100%? Nothing. Because if the government got everything, you would get nothing, and nobody would work. The economy would shut down. The government would get zero if tax rates were set to zero. As tax rates increase, so do tax receipts, until they reach the apex. The law of diminishing returns kicks in, and tax receipts begin to drop off until they reach zero. Let's say that the government needs $3 trillion. The $3 trillion line intersects the curve at about 15% and 65%. The government would get exactly the same amount of money at either place. We would obviously be better off with a lower tax rate, but where would the government be better off? If the tax rate were set to 65%, the people would be hurting, and there'd be far more pressure for government services. High tax rates are bad for the people, bad for government, and bad for the economy. Every tax cut to date has resulted in more money for the government, indicating that we are still on the right-hand side of the curve. Who benefits from high taxes? Do self-reliant people need government assistance? No, they can take care of themselves. Liberal politicians need enough little people to get them elected. Democrats, keeping the little guy little since 1933.